Fernando?
Yes.
Hi, what seems to be the problem?
Thank you for coming. My car doesn't move. I can't move the car.
Okay, step out, please. It was just the parking brake.
Wait, should I get one of the techs to do this? Our plans for this restoration Cayenne is a 2008 to make it into a safety vehicle. We want to be able to assist our clientele.
I think the fact that everybody at this dealership, every technician is going to have a piece to work on in this car. It's a whole team building experience for everybody. I don't think there's any other dealership that's going to have all the technicians work on this car.
The name of the project is Project Cayenne. As you can see here, it's got the original badge from 2008. So what we're doing today is we're doing an ice blast. Ice blast, what it does is it shoots dry ice onto the components of the car. It gets rid of any grime and dirt over the years.
After it's stripped down, we want to make sure the body's flawless, fix any imperfections, every single nick and every crevice, redo the undercoating, top to bottom, inside and out.
It's Mayron. Are you going to make me take this?
We try to do our best on every car. So
absolutely.
Even this one's going to be a little bit more.
At the end of the day, this is why we're partners, We want to make sure, we're ready to put our name on it.
Now we're going to soft etch them and put 2 to 3 coats of primer.
Built a Cayenne off-road support vehicle for on and off-road. The Cayenne is really important to Porsche in the late 90s when they knew that they were losing money and they couldn't survive off the 911 alone. So in the early 2000s, Porsche needed to find a way to make money because they weren't making any money and they were losing it. So CEO decided a bold decision to build a SUV. At the time, all the purists of Porsche were against them and said, there's no way, this is going to sink the company even worse. But it ended up saving them and became the most profitable car they made and contributed to over 50% of their sales at the time.
It's 80 plus thousand miles. It's okay shape. It looks like it's lived in a lot of beach towns. We're going to completely take everything apart, powder coat, new bolts, new engine, reseal, new suspension, new interior, new paint. I found this car in Facebook Marketplace in the middle of the night.
It shows that it was listed 5 months ago. It kind of just shows you the condition it was in.
Doing the work, and we want to show off their capability.
Yeah, for sure.
Look what we've done from here to where it became.
Okay.
And they love that. This is how they get their encouragement.
Premier Coach did an excellent job. We chose a beautiful white metallic that almost has these undertones of blues. Gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. We're gonna do the subframe painted in gold. We have accents of off-road tires, off-road rims, bumpers. It's gonna be a beast of itself.
We just got the car back from the body shop, so you will see it shortly, and we're very excited. However, this is the crunch time, and when you look at it, I think it is panic mode. We will have people work on it 24/7 right now.